Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put division in Excel. Understanding basic arithmetic operations is crucial for data analysis. We'll cover the fundamental steps to perform division, ensuring your spreadsheets are accurate and efficient. This method is straightforward and applies to all versions of Excel, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Let's dive right in and get your calculations working perfectly. Let's start with a simple example, dividing two specific numbers. First, choose any empty cell where you want your answer to appear. Then, type the equals sign, followed by your first number, the forward slash, and your second number. For instance, you might type equals 100 divided by 20. Pressing enter will immediately show you the result of your division.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's look at dividing values stored in different cells. This is often more practical for dynamic spreadsheets. Begin by typing an equals sign in your chosen result cell. Next, click on the cell that holds your dividend, then type the forward slash. Finally, click on the cell containing your divisor. Hit enter, and Excel will perform the division using those cell values. It's important to be aware of the common hash div/0 error. This occurs when your divisor is 0 or an empty cell. To prevent this, always check your divisor values. For more robust spreadsheets, consider using the IFRA function. This allows you to display a custom message or a blank cell instead of the error, making your data much cleaner and easier to read.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.